Good morning. I am Charisse Sabejon, a college student of BS Physical Therapy in Southwestern University, FINMA. I am making this video to demonstrate an assessment tool for children with cerebral palsy. So, I have here an evidence journal. This is primitive reflexes and postural reactions in the neurodevelopmental examination. This is by Demetrio Zefiriou, MD, PhD. So according to this journal, postural reactions and primitive reflexes comprise one of the earliest, simplest, and most frequently used tools among child neurologists to assess the CNS integrity of infants and young children. Infants with CP or cerebral palsy have been known to manifest persistence or delay in the disappearance of primitive reflexes and the absence of postural reactions. Later in the video, I'm gonna be demonstrating following primitive reflexes such as the Moro reflex, plantar reflex, and many others, and also some postural reactions such as traction or vertical suspension. They have been demonstrated in a number of studies in this journal, and infants with economic wise, it is low cost and easy to perform both in non-hospital environments in underdeveloped countries and where time and specific resources are limited. This fits to the family-centered model of care or approach, because in the day-to-day life of the parents, they are struggling as well as the child to perform functional activities due to the disappearance of these primitive reflexes and also abnormal postural reactions. The conclusion of this evidence-based journal is that the examination of primitive reflexes and postural reactions constitutes a solid basis for the evaluation of neonatal and infantile motor disorders.
Good morning, ma'am. I am your physical therapist, and I am Cha. This is baby Kendall Claire. How old naman niya siya, ma'am?
1 year and 11 months.
Kendall Claire is 1 year and 11 months. She is a normal and healthy baby. Is it okay, ma'am, na mag-perform ko assessment sa inyong child? I'm gonna be performing palmar grasp. I should place my index finger on the palm of the baby's hand. Her normal reaction is no grasp siya sa akong hand, but then again, Kendall is 1 year old naman, this palmar grasp will disappear 6 months as age. Next, I'm gonna be demonstrating the plantar grasp reflex. By this, I will put pressure on using my thumb on the sole of the foot. Normal reaction should be flexion of the toes of the child. This will disappear 15 minutes. I'm going to be performing the asymmetric neck-tonic reflex. The position of the child should be in supine, and there should be neck flexion on this other side of 15 seconds. Normal reaction should be extension of the extremity on the chin side of the child and flexion of the opposite extremity to the occipital side. This will disappear. Next, I will be performing the cross extensor. The child's position should be in supine, and method of this is to passively flex the one lower extremity of the child. Reaction of this should be extension of the other extremity with adduction and internal rotation. This will disappear. Next, I'm gonna be performing the Moro reflex. The child's position should be in supine, so there should be a sudden drop or extension of the head of the child. Ano na ko, ma'am, ha? Yung reaction is abduction or flexion of the upper extremity. This will disappear 6 months of age.